morning, YouTube. You are watching Swamp Fox Adventures. I'm Wally. That's Real Babes. And today we're going to meet Jose and we're going to go hike some waterfalls. I'm not sure what to expect. I was supposed to bring the drone and I'm just now remembering I forgot it. It's okay. We will make do. What up?
Good morning, foreigners.
Yeah.
I was about to test you the location when I saw you pull in.
Okay. We just linked up with Jose. We're gonna follow him up into the mountains. And apparently last time they were here, 7 cars got stuck. So it's been dry. It hasn't been raining a whole lot. The water's cleared up. And hopefully it's not gonna be muddy and we're not gonna get stuck.
Unstoppable slick hit, put a kind of nation hood on my big dick. Fucking group of sissies button your pants and putting your boots looking like Dora the Explorer.
Look at the dog guarding the bridge. The river is looking clear. It hasn't been raining, and so the peanut buttery chocolate looking river, there's no mud and siltation in it, and it is looking really, really clear. We have met some oncoming traffic, so now everyone has to pull over and maneuver. Real Babes is driving like a fighter pilot, complete and total precision. The river looks super clear, man.
Hey, little hidden gems that we got here in the jungle land.
Yeah, dude.
High five.
We were cruising up, and it hasn't been this clear like since we've been here, man.
And we just made it right in front of you.
Yeah.
Car pulled right behind us. So we got to do turning radius and everything.
Yeah, there was 4 as soon as we pulled in.
Put on the
Backpack if you want. I'll leave the cooler.
Right, no, it's gonna seal all cooler. Nothing but water.
Oh yeah, we saw a bunch of the Muscovies on the way in. We are headed back to the car to gear up a little bit heavier. Let me document everyone's water shoes.
I'm just wearing regular tennies.
Hey, they work better. We are gonna walk up the river to get to even more waterfalls.
I should have hit the thermostat, baby.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good bit colder than I was expecting.
I totally expected it to be actually. It's gonna take me to a bunch of hidden places that only the locals know about, right?
I remember when I was... So when it starts raining, this is like a grotto, so like a ramp. So
Okay.
you get a little stream.
Oh.
The rain's coming down from each corner of different sides of the mountain.
Yeah, do like 3-point hold.
You can slip from this direction and, you know, hit a knee against a rock. That's gonna be not a fun experience.
Yeah, these river rocks are a lot smoother than anything else we've been on.
They are. Then on top of that, you get the residue. What is that?
Oh, it looks like a prawn or something.
It is.
Dead.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Giant. The ones I've seen on Vega Baja, they're about an inch and a half. That one,
Huge.
That's
we have to
giant.
come here look for this guy.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's even any fish in here, but I'm getting that vibe. Like,
It looks fishy. Yeah, don't fall.
There's something here.
Yeah, no, it's
Oh, wow. Is that it there, or are we going up here?
Well, we're going up.
Okay.
Bring on.
Oh my goodness. Imagine packing in all the concrete.
That's what I'm thinking.
KG level 1000.
Yep. Okay.
Hold down. And from now,
Baby,
Yeah.
we'll make
tell YouTube what your opinion of the path is.
The path down looks a little scary.
sketchiness level
Yeah.
1000.
It is pretty steep.
Or can we go?
Oh, you can always swim down the river and I'll take your back.
Alright.
It's like skydiving.
Yeah, once you're committed, you're sort of committed.
On the other side. But this thing won't break on this.
Grab this.
Wally, let me hold on to your gear.
Here, there's the GoPro, and I'm good with the backpack. Just want to make sure I don't slip. Woo! Yeah. Okay.
Laura, you want me to go ahead?
Pass it down to me.
Okay.
Rather than half full of roots.
Yeah.
Over rock. Everything here looks slippery.
Yeah, it feels slippery.
So, oh, at least if you fall, we're gonna have it on film.
Yeah, that'll be the bloopers. Oh.
Feel my leg.
Yeah. Jose and I both got tangled up with some stinging nettle. And we both got it on the back of our knee, or like the side of the knee, where it's super sensitive.
So, you know, like jellyfish. Feel my knee.
That's callaloo growing out of the rock. That is my all-time favorite green. It's way tastier than collards. We are gonna hike over to a cave, YouTube. See it?
Oh, now I see it. A rope.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody drop a rope in there.
You can see all the debris from flash floods and stuff. All the wood, bamboo.
Oh, actually,
Kind of scary.
actually, it's not. It's not that shady.
It's not that shady?
No, it's not. If I had better shoes, I would climb up because these are just really super. Flip those are.
This rope goes up to another cave that takes you above the waterfalls.
Let's check on our stuff. Be right back.
You ready?
You got me?
Right next to that.
Yeah.
We both got hurt.
See, one of the things I don't think about sometimes is on getting back down.
Flashlights, I can give you a little bit more light. You know how much it's gonna help.
Got my phone on me. I got a little light. Whoa, this is fucking cool.
She did it with flip-flops.
I know.
You know what I'm trying to say, right?
Oh yeah.
We're up next.
I'm not going.
Ah!
These things are slipping more than I thought.
Push, 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 push.
Pretty much.
Push,
Pretty
push,
much.
Push, 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 push. Ah! See, I started messing around with you.
Real Babes has disappeared all the way. You can see her light. She is way up there.
Wow.
Does it head outside?
So I found a rope that seemed pretty sturdy, that you might be able to hike up into this tiny little crack in a cave. And look where I'm at now. It looks like this goes up to the top of the waterfall. That is where I came out of. There's Wally. So I just came up from there. Right there is where the dam has collapsed. And I just hiked up here, and if I come out here, I'm gonna be at the top of the waterfall. Wow. That's pretty much amazing. Totally worth the hike. It was super scary, sketchy, because you do have to climb up a rope into this tiny little crack inside of a cave, and then hike inside the cave to get up here. But it's pretty much amazing.
Real Babe says she is at the top of the waterfall now, so I'm hiking up to get a look. There is Real Babes, edge of the waterfall. Look up. I think she's taking a video or a picture of us. Hey!
Down there is where I came from, and then came up to this old dam. You can see in the rocks, or the cave, that's where I came from. And this is the top of the dam.
Looks like Real Babes is tucking back in, so I'm gonna go up and spot her so she can climb down. Check it out. There's termite mud tubes
all on the rock faces of the cave.
That's out at the other side. And we hiked up, see where the bridge collapsed? We hiked up there first and then came down. There's Jose down there. And then I came up through the caves that way. It's a long drop. Yeah!
I see some shadows, so I think she's making her way back. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good. Just taking my time.
That's a good idea. I can see your light. I will in a minute. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna use my.
Come back down like you went up, facing the rock.
Yep.
And I'm gonna guide you, tell you where the footholds are.
Right.
And I got into more stinging nettle. It's all over my other knee now.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, touch a little bit more. Heading back here.
Okay. Try to get your left leg on the other side of the rope.
A little.
There you go.
The rock there, you can.
Okay.
I got this.
You got it?
Yeah, I got this.
There we go.
Okay.
She was way up there.
Woo! That was awesome.
Louder!
Yeah.
That was so cool.
She conquered.
Yes.
How's the view
That
from
rope
up
was
there?
Yeah.
How's the view from up there?
It's amazing. I got some good video, and I even took it in landscape mode for you.
Nice. Alright.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you want the left corner back here?
Here, I'm gonna come that way then.
That I'm gonna mention. I was gonna mention that would be when you were up here.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how this little hole right here is.
That looks friggin' deep, dude.
I know. Yeah. I don't feel like getting my selfie drop in there now.
Yeah, that looks real deep.
Yeah, we'll get on the first one. There's no risk of having a.
Yeah. So I think you guys can see behind me right up there. Right there is where I was, or where I hiked up to in the cave. And it comes down to all this behind me. And the sun is shining in a way where I don't know if you can see it, but earlier you could see where the bridge had collapsed from inside the cave. That's it up there. You can see where the walkway ends, and then it collapses and picks back up going to the inside of that cave. That's where I was shooting from earlier.
Okay, tell YouTube, once you go in the cave, you went up, and then it looked like you went left?
Right.
So
Okay.
once you go up the rope, it kind of opens up into like a big cave area, and I climbed up to the right to get to basically where that metal is sticking out right there.
Yup.
And it kind of planes out, and then you can go left and come out on the other side where the dam is. So yeah, once you're like I was standing on top of that metal thing right there, and you can look down into the hole.
Any velociraptors?
Just a couple, you know?
We're taking the river canyon back because Real Babes doesn't want to scale the canyon wall. It's a little slippery. So we're just gonna follow the river all the way down. It might just be me, but this water feels like it keeps getting colder.
I think that's only you. It's only your mom.
You got it. Everything's staying dry, baby.
Take the high ground, man.
I'm gonna take the river.
I'll see you.
I'm gonna hug the side.
I'll see you on the other side.
Jose is gonna scale the canyon wall. I'm gonna follow Real Babes, and hopefully I don't have to. Oh wow.
What happened? You dropped? Oh, geez. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like you kept everything dry for a little bit. Are you good now?
I'm good.
How deep is it?
Well, it's deeper than where I can stand up for about 4 feet.
Okay. I think I found a little bit of a ledge here, and I'm gonna be able to get all the way over dry.
Okay.
Is that a deep hole?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Unless you can hold onto the wall and scale.
Ooh.
Backpack's not gonna make it.
Okay.
You want
Oh,
to
yeah.
pass it to me?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Here it comes. Okay, I found the ledge. I'm back up.
Oh, you made it! Look at you.
And I don't know if I'm going to be able to stay on the ledge.
I got your bag.
Deeper than I was expecting.
I told you.
Yeah, it looked like your purse actually stayed pretty dry.
Yeah. I had that one spot. It was like 4 feet and I had to swim with it on top of my head.
Yeah, I hit that hole and went all the way under.
I knew it was going to happen. I was like, well, the same thing just happened to me. Yeah. So, logistically,
It's throbbing like a bee sting. I got poked by what I thought was a thorn, but it looked more like a bee stinger. And now I'm bleeding a little. At least it's bleeding good. So any bacteria or venom is bleeding out. This is the stinging nettle.
Oh, yeah.
Jose just pointed that out. I got stuck by something.
We went passed by.
It was like a thorn. It was.
Oh, something else.
Yeah.
But this is the one that got us in the leg.
Yeah, I'm still feeling that.
thinking about like tubing and stuff. Right here might be kind of sketchy.
Yeah, from this point you're gonna have to.
We saw one big dead prawn, freshwater prawn. Locally they're known as Camarons de Rio, which is river shrimp. He was big. He was dead also. We've also seen some gobies, some gambusia, which are mosquito fish, crayfish. I'm not sure what type of crayfish these ones are, and some smaller live prawn. Real Babes just spotted a ton of little baby prawns in here. The natural foot and hand holds. Be great for anchoring lines, for rappelling down. I am not really doing a 3-point hold because I'm opting to hold the GoPro. So, ooh, there's a drop off.
Oh, it's right where I'm at. And where I'm at, there's no wall to scale, but we can climb up,
Okay.
I think.
I still have solid footing on the ledge. Oh yeah, that looks
see, the
deep.
ledge comes right here and then
Yep.
it drops off right there. So we could probably.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to get around.
I don't either.
We'll figure out who's gonna be drier and that's who gets the backpack. Jose, I didn't even see you till just now. I think Real Babes might be stuck. I'm gonna go back around. These rocks offer incredible handholds. I am gonna ford the river right here, and I think Real Babes is gonna have to end up swimming across. Gorgeous.
Did it look like it had a sharp edge? That one does.
No, they looked pretty smooth.
That one looks smooth?
Yeah, they look like a tube would like maybe ride over
Ride
them.
Like soap opera of a Latino judge?
No. Right here,
Yeah, straight up to the
Real
rock
Babes
there.
decided to join the smart guys, Jose and myself. And she's gonna take the skinny waterway to ford the river. I just found a couple of invasive species. I looked down there on the rock. These are African nerite snails. I believe it's pronounced nerite, N-E-R-I-T-E. And they can live in fresh water, brackish water, everything. I have some in my aquarium at home. I think that's the deepest hole right there. You want me to grab your bag?
Yeah.
Give me the strap first.
Got it?
Yep.
All right.
We're crossing the river one more time.
Swing on the waterfall. But it hits hard.
Oh, you can feel the power from here.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Ooh, that's pretty.
I think that is either a blue or a green amoeba. It's not a race runner. See how it's bigger?
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure that's a green amoeba. That's another invasive.
You're gonna be fighting the current.
Real Babes is swimming over and she's gonna try to scale that wall.
I think you passed the good corner. You're gonna have to move towards your left a little bit.
If you fall, push yourself away from that rock wall.
I got you.
I'll really grab my backpack just in case. Not the big swimmer, but you know, you take a
Yeah.
and you can hear the Baywatch song.
You're an airboat.
You look like you're doing pretty good from here.
Oh, you got the ledge right there. You got the ledge. Grab a handful of brood. Well, not brood, you know. Yeah, it's.
Yeah?
And for me, it's like saying number 3 and 3. Doesn't sound too different, you know, the accent.
Yeah.
He's up there, man. Sí, yo me acuerdo. No, he's saying that it used to be a small rope to pull the other one in, but it's no longer there. That's why.
I don't know if I can do it. Ever since the horse wreck, I'm like a different person, you know?
You got it, Wally? You want me
Yeah.
to get my recording also? You got
If
another
you want.
angle?
So,
Don't do it yet. Let me grab my phone real quick.
Real Babes is now second guessing whether or not she wants to use the rope swing.
I'll try and get it slow motion.
I don't know if I can do this.
If you want to, do it. If you're scared, don't.
Alright, I think we do it.
Hang on tight till you're away from the rock.
Shit, I don't know if I can do it.
Okay. No one's forcing you.
I don't know how else to get back down.
You just wait to come back down and jump.
Alright,
You can do it?
I think so. 1, 2.
That was slow motion.
How deep?
It's deep. I didn't touch the bottom.
Oh, wow.
50 feet plus.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's normal here, and I couldn't even see the bottom here.
On video. You survived.
My endorphins or my adrenaline pumping.
That's it, that's it.
It's an 11-pounder, 12-pounder right there. Where's the gun what I needed?
I know. That is one of the
Heads on
biggest Iggy's I've ever seen. That big male came out. You can see more of his body now. 1923, Planta Electrica. This is the old hydroelectric power plant that was fueled or powered by this river. The first waterfall is the discharge. The second one we hiked to is where they made a dam, and that created enough pressure to run the turbines of the hydroelectric plant. Oh, look at how high the water's been on the branch. You can see the debris where it caught.
Yeah, with the rain.
Or even
Yeah.
right there at the base of the tree. You can
I
see.
think it's been.
Oh, yeah.
It's been getting almost up to level with the smooth.
Yeah, that's like 10 foot.
Smooth up here. This is debris. Yeah, she's on a power line. Has so many meanings.
Yeah. That was an incredible little hike. We are now driving through town, and we're gonna go get something to eat. Real Babes is being super kind to me on my birthday and letting me take a break from driving. We met a car, and the car had to reverse quite a ways so Jose and us could get past.
Not even like tied up or anything.
Road horse. There's your free horse, babe.
Which is not a bad thing.
Real Babes is starving, but she's not getting hangry, which is good.
So what branch were you in?
Air Force.
Air Force.
Yeah.
My hat has mildewed something fierce, so hopefully the UV from the sun is going to kill that mildew. I'm cool with outdoors. I'm whatever you feel like. What'd you get, Jose?
Smashed banana stuffed with chicken.
Oh, okay.
Criollo chicken.
I thought I got.
Chicharrón de
De
pollo.
pollo.
Yeah.
Stealing a fry. These cassava fries?
No, this is the plantain fries.
Okay. Oh, those are good.
But I thought
I got pechugo, relleno con amarillo y bacon, which is chicken breast stuffed with sweet plantains and then wrapped with bacon.
it's behind my business.
Yeah.
That brown thing, is that a branch or broken up branch?
No, as soon as you said
Or
Wally
is that
Wally,
one right there?
that's I think that's a male looking right at us.
It's too staticky. Everything's moving. I don't know. And the thumb?
Yep.
That's her.
Oh, that's
him.
a big male.
It's a male. Yeah.
Real man to carry the purse too. I'll meet you outside, baby.
Okay.
Is everyone feeling full?
Yes, sir.
We are stuffed. We're gonna roll back, do some editing, do some resting, and then we're gonna get up with Jose and Ruth later on tonight.